How to disable Psscriptanalyzer'S PSAvoidUsingCmdletAliases in PowerShell extension in Visual Studio Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code to write my PowerShell scripts. I've installed the PSAvoidUsingCmdletAliases extension for Visual Studio Code. Whenever I use an alias in my script, the Psscriptanalyzer tells me to use the full cmdlet name. This is kind of annoying because it also marks all aliases with a green curvy line. How can I disable this?
There's 3 ways to do that. Option 1. Use the search function. Hit F1 in Visual Studio Code to make the search bar appear. Write PowerShell column select PS, then choose PowerShell column select Psscriptanalyzer'S. Remove the check mark on PSAvoidUsingCmdletAliases. Click on Confirm. Picture. Option 2. Completely disable script analysis. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner in Visual Studio Code. Click on Settings. Click the symbol on the top right corner. Add PowerShell.scriptanalysis.enable column false to your user settings on the right hand side. See screenshot below. Save your user settings by hitting Ctrl+S. Screenshot. Your script analyzer is now disabled and won't complain about aliases anymore. Option 3. Create a settings file and only disable alias information. Create a PSD1 file on your file system. Copy the template from below into this file and save it. Go to your user settings and code as described in option 2.1 to 3. Add PowerShell.scriptanalysis.settingspath column C column R. Here's a picture of it. Template, taken from this URL.
PowerShell.